to break free from this life's pain. In your hands I seek peace and gain. Yes, you, my Father, guide me through. Lead me to eternal life, pure and true. This is my prayer, my first and last wish. Fulfill it, yes, you make it come true. Thank you, Yeshua, from this life's pain. From this worldly chain you've made me see. I walk with you, my heart in your grace. In your holy name, I find my place, I pray. Yeshua, keep me blessed with your light.